how to reset Gmail password. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can reset your Gmail password. And how do you do this? The first step is for you to log in into your Gmail using your Google account, and then move to the top right corner where you can see three horizontal lines. Just click on it. Then in the options displayed, scroll down until you see settings, then select it. By selecting settings, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to select the Google account whose password you would like to reset. So select the Google account, and then once you've done that, click on manage your Google account, and you'll be brought to your Google account page. So once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the right side. Now you can see some tabs on this screen, which includes home, personal info, data and privacy, security. So click on security. And once you're on your security page, scroll down until you can see the option password. Once you can see this, click on it, and you'll be taken to the next stage. All right. So first of all, you have to be verified. The system will carry out the verification process to be sure that you are the one. All right. So go ahead, carry out the process, and then you'll be brought to the change your password stage. So on this stage, enter in the new password that you would like to use, and then confirm the password again. Then scroll down to the right side and click on change password, and your password will be changed. It is that simple. So this is how you can change your password on, or reset your password on your Gmail. Yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.